What's good, YouTube land? Trying to get back to posting some videos. Let's see, today is, what is today? Today is Monday, August 18th, 2025. That's what I got going on today. Got a little bit of damage, as you can see, on the fender here. But just to give you an idea how long crack is on it. So I'm going to fix it up. Got to see if he wants me to fix this stuff on this side as well. I'm pretty sure he wanted that fixed too, so yeah. Any words? I'm going to take this headlight out. I already got the inner mud shield off, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take this headlight out. Take this little side marker light out. And alright, I got the headlight out. Oh, marker light. Yeah, she's even cracked all up and down in here. Oh, cracked all up in there. This is all busted up. Down in here. Busted up here. Really wish I could get to this back side a little better, but not really much I can do unless I was to cut a big chunk of this out. And I don't think I'm gonna have to once I get this ground down and get it moved back into place. I'm thinking I can glass it all up from the outside and it should be strong enough. So I'm gonna glass all this. So that's the plan.